If you are wondering how long does the battery last on POCO F8 Ultra, then let me quickly answer the question for you. So these numbers and these stats that I'm about to share with you come from the gsmarena.com website. They usually perform really decent battery tests, so of course I'm going to talk about them. Essentially, the average time on a typical daily usage of the phone, if we consider that, then from 100 to 0 you should be able to use your phone for 19 hours and almost 45 minutes, which is of course quite a lot of time. But that of course changes, and it is different for every person. It changes depending on what you do on your phone and what features you have enabled. So in that case, for example, if you just use your phone for calling, then it will last 34 hours and 45 minutes, or maybe even more. For browsing the websites, you will probably keep the battery for 18 hours and 20 minutes. For video watching, so if you just watch videos from 100% to 0, the battery should last approximately 26 hours, and for gaming it should be like 10 hours and 20 minutes. But like I said, this depends on many things: how you use your phone, what features are enabled. So you just have to keep that in mind. If you want to, of course, I can recommend you visiting the website where you can actually mix these different things together to find out what is the approximate battery lifespan on a single charge, of course, for in your case. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.